Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Not sure how I'm feeling about this makeup look. I've said it so many times that I don't like blue eyeshadow, but remember when I was going through my eyeshadow palettes and I found this? I thought that was such a pretty blue, but I should have just listened to my instincts and moved on from it. I want to do like a 60s look. I made a short. Okay, well, we can't always have the same makeup look, right? Oh, today, I just washed my face. I didn't like it. I felt like I didn't like the way the colors looked on me. I didn't like it. So, I'm just going to do a quick everyday look. Because today, we're going to use these side by side. First, I'm going to put some makeup on. My hair's already drying. I'm gonna have to like wet it again somehow, but I don't want heavy foundation on because spring's coming, so I'm just gonna go in with some concealer, kind of use it as a foundation as well. I have to debate now, see how that video came out. I might not upload it because it didn't look bad. It's just not my color types. So we're gonna try out a side-by-side hair product today, and because one of you guys pointed out to me that these are two different products. I hope I have enough. Yeah, I do. I have enough. Which one did I do recently? I honestly don't even know. I had one of these in my bathroom and one was I had recently bought and did. And I'm like, I know I did. I think it was this one. This one I recently did because I remember saying a long time ago now that I think about it. I like the packaging. This is like a pear and an apple. I thought it was the same because I remember liking it and I'm like, oh, I didn't see that. I'll buy it again and I'll make another video. And then someone's like, oh, which one did you like better? The Small Talk or the Foxy Curls? Then I double checked and I'm like, oh my God, they're two totally different things. So we're doing a side by side. Thank you. Blue mascara's in, but I just had a discussion with you that I don't like crazy colors on my eyes. But maybe the mascara? Let's see. I remember saying the mascara's not that bad. And now the color. So I'll try a little blue on my eyes like that. How about that? It's not bad. I'm going to go over it with black. I like me black mascara. I think pink lipstick is a little more in, but personally I don't care about what's in. I like what I like. Going, and this makes me feel more comfortable. Plain and simple, I know. Hair is done, hair is big. I mean, can you get any more similar? They both are so similar, I think. Do you see a difference? Okay. It could also, everything could come down to how I also applied it in my hair because it's that close. If I had to choose one though, if I had to choose one, this one. It looks so good. It just looks so good. This looks good too. Could have been that I didn't put it in as much as, could have been that I just didn't put it in the same way, but it looks really good too. I just feel like there's something about this one that looks better. It's the same thing. It's the same thing because I wonder if I put this one in on, if I like reverse them. Maybe this side of my hair comes, oh, no, this side of my hair usually comes out better. Do you see a difference back there? It looks nice. Looks good. I think both sides look good. I'm going to tell you though, I'm not a fan of the smell for either one of them. They're just too powerful. They don't smell so much bad. It's not like a bad odor. It's just a very strong odor. Too perfumey for me, a little too much. I love a good scented hair product, but it has to be very faint. It has to be very more natural. Like I like the smells of soaps and stuff instead of perfume. So that is just a personal preference, I think. All right, I'm gonna just say it so that if you came just for this part, that's great, but we're gonna go and see how it lasts throughout the day. I've done videos on both of these, but I've done videos on both of these products, but this is a side by side, and let's just go throughout the day and see. It's the same product. How can hold on, what did I do it? Oh, I put them on. Just like find it interesting that a company could sell two very similar products. Like, what's the point? They're so similar. Even the smell. Small talk. Thickifier? Is that even a word? Energizer. Stylizer. Stylizer. I can't read. It's hard to read. I had to put in the light. Contour cream. Foxy Curls. They don't say much. I'm going to have to look it up and see in a bit. This keeps him so calm. Tell me. You like your shirt? Yeah. I know you do. I know you do. Keeps you calm. Really keeps him calm. I don't know what it is. It's like he feels secure. It's like a security blanket. You go home Sunday? He's here with us till Sunday. Such a good boy since I got this shirt. I got it from Amazon. Hi guys. Oh, something in my eye again. So I was filming as I was doing my hair. No, did it happen before? I don't even know, but I just was overcome with a feeling of, I don't know, I think all my friends with menopause can understand how fast it can come on you, to just feel like that. Like my whole face, I didn't want to talk. So I figured I would just dub in, do a voiceover maybe. I'm probably not gonna check into my hair. My hair is my hair. That was just a side by side. But we'll do something else with the rest of the video. And I came down in the basement to kind of escape because my husband's been home. I just really need my alone time. make something really healthy, but I did make my shake with my BioTrust collagen powder. I add peanut butter. I guess I can link that below, but I'm cold, so I'm going to sit in front of the fire for a little. I've just been playing games on my phone. I'm trying to get back into that so that I'm not on social media as much. I'm not really one that can just delete these apps because that's what I do. So how can I, you know, but it's addicting, and I don't want to sit on TikTok for hours because I can easily do that. Easily. So I got some brain games that at my age I could use. And then that shows you an ad for another one. I'm like, oh, that looks like fun too. So I got that. I got like a few. I will never, ever buy a game, and I will never spend money on purchases within the game, ever. And it's funny because that's what my son did for a living, but like software engineer, but he worked in the gaming industry, and one of his positions was working in the part of gaming where you level up and you spend money, or maybe the ads too, I don't know. But I will literally sit and go through an ad. I'll just put my phone down, I'll look the other way before I ever pay a penny to a game. And then I feel bad though, because I'm like, you know what? They worked on making this game like my son would, and here I am like, nah. But I'm supporting it because I'm playing it. So hopefully there are people out there that are, they're doing fine. I don't need to check in, I don't think, on the hair. Did I say that already? I feel like I